Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. We have x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x minus 6. First thing we would do is look for a common factor, and there are no common factors to all four terms. So we then look and see that we have four terms, and we try factoring by grouping. We'll group these terms together, and we'll group these terms together. Looking at the first two terms, there is a factor common to just these two terms, and that's x cubed. So let's factor that out. We have x cubed times x plus 2. Now over here we have a common factor of 3. You're going to notice, though, that we are going to have an x plus 2 as our common binomial factor in order to be able to factor that out. So instead of factoring out a positive 3, I'm going to factor out a negative 3. If I factor out a negative 3, then I do have inside my parentheses an x plus 2. I have a common binomial factor, so I can factor that out. I write x plus 2, and then I write the x cubed minus the 3. Checking my binomials, I do not have a binomial that factors further, so I'm done. And I can check by multiplying. I'd find that the factorization of the original polynomial is x plus 2 times x cubed minus 3.